We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, this is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at the Xerox VersaLink C400 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your drum kit. So if you're getting a drum kit low or replace drum kit, warning on your screen, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a pretty simple process. The first thing you're going to want to do is on the right side of your printer, we're going to want to lower this front or the side cover here. So you're just going to put your finger in this little finger notch and lower the side cover down. The next thing we need to do is we need to remove our waste toner. So in order to do that, you're going to take this orange dial here and you're going to turn it all the way to the left. And then you're just going to put your hand on the handle and pull straight out. And that'll release your waste toner. And you can set that off to the side. And there you're going to find all four of your drums for each toner. So when you're going to replace your drum kit, generally I'm going to replace the whole kit anytime I'm going to do it. So the way you remove these is you're just going to, there's a little finger notch on each one. You're going to press straight down on that finger notch and you'll feel it release, and you can just slide the drum all the way out. So again, you're going to repeat that for all four of your drums. Push straight down on that little finger notch, slide it all the way out, push down, pull all the way out. So now we've removed all four of our drums. So now that you have your new drums unpacked and ready to use, you're simply going to install them right back into the printer. Now each drum has its color labeled on the printer, so you can't get it all mixed up. You're going to slide it in, firmly press it into place until you kind of feel it click into position. And you're just going to carefully slide all these in. You do want to be careful. The green drum that's on top of these is very sensitive, and if you nick it up, kind of hit it against something, it's really easy to scratch or damage. And if you do that, then you're going to end up with a print defect on that drum. So you want to be really careful to make sure that that doesn't happen. So I'm just going to slide all four of these in. And then now that we have all four of our drums installed into the printer, we can replace our waste toner. So again, holding it by the handle, you're just going to line it up, push straight in, and then once you have it pressed all the way in, then you can turn this dial back to the right and lock that back into place. Close this side cover here, and just like that, you've replaced your drum kit. So pretty simple. There's only a couple steps to it. As long as you're really careful when you're taking those drums out and putting them back in, you shouldn't have a problem. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.